Hi guys, so this is Ajay. I have a small celebratory thing to say. This day, exactly 2 years ago, and exactly this moment, I believe, if not wrong, I have made the connection and I've decided forever, like to go vegan. And yeah, I have been vegan since then. No thoughts of switching. Um, and yeah, I also believe everyone should go vegan for moral reasons. Um, and of course, I quickly want to draw your attention towards one small thing known as speciesism. What is speciesism? It is similar to racism, where racism we say about discrimination based on race, and in like similar to anti like feminism, where we fight about discrimination based on gender. uh, and sometimes like discrimination is there everywhere, like based on the class, and based on the like color of the skin. We see it everywhere, based on the caste, religion, and everywhere. Yeah. So when we say about discrimination, it is not just about I mean, it's not just about color, race, and everything. It is also about animals and other species. We discriminate animals so much that future generations will look at us as barbarians. I'm not saying this in a funny way. We are looked at in future generations by as barbarians for whatever the atrocities that are happening to animal world. So I mean, you're all smart people. I am not having any doubt, and you're also good people. I also don't have any doubt on that. But we cannot fund these cruel and violent and abusive industries and then think that this is a personal choice. I mean, even then you have, if you say that I will ethically rise, and then I will make sure they are in a good place, they are safe throughout their lives, and then finally at the end, if I want to eat meat, I will kill and eat. So how do you ethically like do it? It's oxymoron to me. Like, you cannot ethically kill someone when it is not necessary to do so, and also when that being doesn't want to die. How can we or anyone, I mean, kill someone who doesn't want to die, and it's also unnecessary to do. So why I'm saying unnecessary to do? Because we are not obligate carnivores. We don't have like those carnivorous instincts in our like, we are not biologically programmed to have the carnivorous instinct. Like for example, in front of us, if there is a dead body, we don't have the instinct to eat its animal flesh. Even we can, most of us can't eat the raw meat because it's just not our thing. We are not obligate carnivores. We have abundant plant-based food. I'm not asking a tribal or an Eskimo to go vegan. I'm asking someone who has access to abundant plant food. Please use, I mean, think about it. I'm sure you will also think in the same line, because I also used to think this is a choice. You cannot force this thing, but only if I can do so in a non-confrontational way, made, I mean, able to plant some seed in your brain. If you think about it with an open mind, maybe then you will realize, I mean, it's not a personal choice, it is a personal realization. um, and yeah, that's it I want to say. And hopefully, yeah, you will one day go vegan. Thank you. Bye.